We are the seventh largest country, yes? Okay. Can anyone tell me which is the first largest country in the world? Excellent answer, clap for my friends. Russia, very good. Excellent answer. We use our money called rupee. What? So the US citizens also have their money called dollar. Very good. Big clap for the friends. Very Abu, you are requested to remove your what you are wearing red.
Kadari kar dena so much